Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2024 Escalade gloss black paint. Originally, we added the Xpel Stealth matte PPF, self-healing, 10-year guarantee, defends against rucks, no waxing, 10 years in writing, full vehicle, obviously to make it a new matte finish. We'll take a quick walk around this as we got to get on some other vehicles around here, and over there, and over here, and outside. Running behind a little bit, unfortunately, but everything's nice and flat and nice and clearly put on, meaning no adhesive problems. Everything just looks fantastic. All our lines are fully wrapped in. Coming around our tail area. Usually they call for 2 pieces in this. We do this all in one. I'm sure most should. It's not hard to do. Wrap everything in around our tail lights, our fuel port, fully wrapped in. The lid and going into the quarter, wrapped into this molding. Up top, fully wrapped into all the moldings. All this gloss is done. Moldings come off, door handles come off, so everything's nice and clean. Sorry, some dust. Everything's underneath these. Belt moldings, our tops and these all wrapped into the doors. Everything just looks fantastic. Now we gotta get this cleaned up a little bit. But everything's nicely wrapped, everything's nicely done. Everything looks fantastic on this. Coming into our door to fender, fully wrapped in, no gloss showing. Our hood, all the corners capped. Our A-pillar coming into the fender, fully wrapped in, the door. Everything looks fantastic. Nice work. All this is wrapped in, the entire bumper, all the edges are wrapped in. All wrapped in nicely. Good. But that's what we do here at Clearbrow, North Dallas. You need a schedule, talk to us about a job you want us to do. It's clearbrownorthdallas.com or 940-703-8301 is the cell. Landline 214-414-3809. Thanks. Sorry for the quick one, but we got stuff to do today, and thank you. Bye-bye.